Hi there, and welcome to this ProjectBoard tutorial on how to create your very own project. My name is Nissa, and we are here on our ProjectBoard home screen. And to get started on creating our project, we will head up to the top left corner of the navigation bar to the Start button. Now I'm going to make a project today on a trip that I took to Tanzania where I saw women who had to transport water 4 times a day from a well back to their village, and I'm looking on how we can improve this situation for them. So the title of my project is going to be Ideas on How to Transport and Purify Water. And down here I have my very first post. So I will write a description about what I'm looking to do with this project. Cut here and paste the entire thing. Okay, now that I have the description of my first post for my project, I am going to add a complementary image. So click this image button, and I'm choosing from my own files. There we go. And here is our first post coming into form. I can choose to add additional files and media content, videos. I'm going to go ahead and add another image for an example. So this time I'm going to use a stock image of water. Perfect. So I have my 2 images here that should show on my first post. Now back at the top right corner, I'm ready to post this project. I can either choose to post it to the community right away, which means the project will be public and everyone can provide their feedback, or I could use this toggle and post it as a solo project, meaning it will only be visible to me for now. So I'm going to go ahead and post it as a solo project since I'm still working on my idea. So here we have the beginnings of our project. You can see in the header section, the header photo or the project photo has been automatically uploaded with the first image that I added. And now I am going to edit in the top right-hand corner of my project, which will give me the chance to add a few more details. So here I can add a description of what my project's about. My trip to Tanzania and improving water transport. I can also choose to add team members here. So this means in terms of a private project, these people will have permission to see my project. So I'm going to use the user Renata, who is our co-founder here at ProjectBoard, and she is going to be a team member of my project. There we go. I can also add categories to make it easier for people to find my project. So here at the top of the header, I can pick a category. Now, relevant to this could be, for instance, consumer products. That might help us solve our issue, or earth and energy. So that gives us a bit of a head start on some categories that we could choose. We could always add more later, and I'm going to save what I've added to this project in the top right corner. Now I'm going to add a post to this project. So I want to use the whiteboard feature, and this will be our second post. And with the whiteboard feature, I can use shapes, I can write text, I can add images to this, drawing, post-it notes, etc. So I am going to make a diagram of the situation. So there's our well, and over here is going to be a couple of squares. And our village. And here we have the journey, which is about 30 kilometers. And it is important to note on the journey that there are a ton of hills and it is not smooth sailing. And I'm going to save this and add it to hopefully help fellow users understand the context a little bit better. Walk to the village. Looks great. So now we are going to see what our project looks like when it's completed. Resume here. This project has been live now for a few years. We have tons of engagement on the project, tons of great ideas, and we've even been able to ask our friends in Tanzania to test out some of the ideas, which they loved. So here we can see how many amazing ProjectBoard users contributed to this project and helped to find a solution. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create your own project, and I hope it was helpful.